name is Richard Otwori Gisemba. Yeah, and I thank you for coming to my shop here. I really appreciate.
Where do you come from?
I come from Kenya, Kisii, Keroka.
Was this your dream job? Is this all what you dreamt to becoming when you were young?
No, it's a long story. It's a long story, but you know, when I finished my school, I think we were the last system for high school level.
That was up to Form 6?
Form 6.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Which year was that?
So
80 something?
82. Yeah.
82. Wow.
Yeah. So
I was like 1 year.
1 year.
Yeah.
So there was no reverse award, but I didn't go teaching because that is what I wanted to go. What inspired me to join this mechanic job is one of my relatives who was, even he didn't go to school anyway. He was a mechanic. He was just a standard 8.
Wow.
But the way he was, I think he was good, making good money. So, but I was say that this job is for those people who don't go to school or wherever areas. It's not like that. For really, let me tell you, this job is for anybody. Anybody. Even if you are highly educated, wherever, it's just how you can put your things. So that is the guy who inspired me to join it, to work on mechanic, whereby my dad told me, now, are you going to college for school to be like a teacher, whatever? I say no. Let me join a technical college. So he took me to technical college Nakuru.
Nakuru, that's in Kenya.
Yeah, in Kenya. Yeah, that's where I did my school for 3 years.
Wow.
That time we start from grade 3, 2, and 1.
Wow.
So, and at that time we were we were going to Nakuru. No, Kisumu.
Kisumu.
That's where we were doing exams.
You had one general exam.
Yeah. Yes. So, from that time, you know, it was like a theory. That is where I came to learn that failures, like those people who were left school, like standard 8, what, it was difficult for them to learn this job because at school we were doing like theory, most of theory, some small practical. So many people, you know, when the teacher come and lecture about this work, many people run away.
Oh, people don't finish the course, they quit.
They quit.
Oh, okay.
So they come only when there is a practical, few hours, they run away.
Oh,
but when we are doing exam, written, what, they run away.
Did you do this job?
Yeah.
Like
when I finished school, in fact, it was lucky. When I finished my school 3 years, I went to Kisii. There's one of my uncle who was having this one for practical. Good lucky. I was employed the post office. Post office in Nairobi.
Post office?
Yes, to do this work.
Wow.
So, whereby Professor Sam Ongel, you know, my dad was good on relationship to connections. So, at that time, they were looking people like that. So, I was lucky and I got the job there.
Wow.
So, 1991. September is when I joined the post office.
Okay.
So I worked for 11 years doing this job.
11 years.
11 years. I was promoted to go to, because I was given a general manager human resource in a post office to drive him while I am a mechanic, because they find when they were going out, the car died on the road, and they can't do anything.
In case of any breakdown, so you will be able to help.
I was given as a promotion, so I pushed it there for 11 years. Then after 11 years is when I applied the green card. Also, I was lucky. I was chosen to come here in America.
So you came
I came in America 2002.
Okay. Wow.
July.
Yeah. So let's fast forward to coming to America.
Yeah.
Now you are in America. This was your first state. Okay.
I have never gone anywhere.
Okay.
When I landed here, I found one guy who is our friends from Kenya, called Samuel Nyakundi.
Oh, okay.
Samuel Nyakundi, I found they have a shop. That time they were working at home in their house. So there I was going there part-time, and I joined them, so that from there I was learning, back Africa, these cars, most of them now they have sensors, but Africa they don't have sensors. Because at the time I was left is when people were choosing to go to Didi to learn about these new cars.
Okay.
So
yeah, they used to have manual.
Yeah, manual.
That's standard cars.
Standard cars and the carburetor. Whereby we don't have now is direct injection now. Yes. So when I joined Samuel Nyakundi with the sons, he was also having one guy, is a Luo guy. We were doing good, and then we moved to Cooper here. Okay. Where they opened a shop. So from there, I am learning.
You're adopting to.
I am adapting. Also, I am now gaining customers. People are knowing me. So from there, I think Samuel quit from the job. Me, I started slowly because people was knowing me, calling me to their apartments, house, doing small. Now I saw like I have a lot of customers here now. There's some things I can't do on
in the apartments.
So that is when I put my mind down and I say, why can't I look somewhere?
So you look for a shop.
I look for a shop whereby I opened.
Where was it at?
It was on Webplane.
Oh, the one 360
Webplane. That is where I opened. And the third time, I was not getting problem of manpower like now.
Which year was that?
That one, it was 2009 there.
Okay.
2009. Yes.
Okay.
So many people were looking at job. And I was having a lot of Mexicans. I was doing good.
You had good manpower.
Yes. Even another cousin from Africa called Patrick Omenga joined me. We ran, so we quit from there. After that, this guy, Ongesa.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. There, Ongesa joined me again.
Mogitaurio.
Also, we pushed. That is when we moved from.
The business was expanding.
Then we moved to this side because many people, by 10 I was living before I bought the house on the Mansfield. I was living down here on North. It was Washington.
Oh, Washington Drive.
Yeah, where my sister, that's where I landed.
Lamar
Collins. So many people, I was having customers down here, more customers than from the other side. So many people were complaining, hey Richard, we come from far down, why can't you move near center?
So you moved closer.
Yeah, so I moved closer. Where am I here now, up to now? It's like 7 years.
7 years now.
Since I came this side.
So how do you get your business here in Webler?
No, here is a center. Because, some people, like ladies, women, they fear moving all the way the other side. So they look people around here.
They want to come close
where they live. They don't want to drive highway. Many people don't know what highway, what. So, but since I came this side, I see I capture like a center. People can come from the other side here. It's okay.
So you worked with the Kenya Postal Service in Kenya, and here you are still working with the Postal Service.
Yeah, it's a miracle anyway. It's a miracle because when I worked for gas station for some time, then I come security. Then later, I got a job dealing with the post office. That is where am I. Since 2007,
wow,
I am working night shift up to now.
So you work at the post office and then you come here?
I come here. Wow. I used to do that for many years. You see, like, because my shift starts 12:30 a.m. morning.
Midnight, yeah.
Midnight. So it's better because I saw like that schedule is very nice. They have many schedules, but the one which I took is that is the one which was going with my business because
so
I didn't want
can, plan to come
here because if I go midnight, I sign in midnight, the 12:30. I work up to 8:30 morning. Then I come here straight away.
What time do you sleep?
Sleep. I just struggle until like if I get like here from here 4:30, so I get like 5 hours at least.
Oh, okay.
You see, I go home.
So for 7 years you have been sleeping for 5 hours.
5 hours, but it's coming less. It's coming less to be 4:3.
4:3.
Yeah, because sometimes I don't have manpower.
Okay.
And sometimes you open a car, you think you are going to finish, you can't. You get a customer come here like we Africa. You normally get a customer as one car, and that car he need it. You sit there. You don't know whether you think it's small thing, but when you open, problem come. Or sometimes something broke. We still have to struggle all the way until it come out. So you get that time I wanted to go home, I can't make it.
Where I come from, we do bargain a lot. And do you find, or is there a situation whereby you have repaired a car and somebody abandons the car due to non-payment or such like things?
Yeah. There's so many. But here, this business I have done for a long time, and that one I have experience of that. Because here, when the customer bring a car here, and we see it is going to spend a lot of money, before we take a car, we check the car and see what he need, everything, and tell the customer this car is going to be done with this amount. If I am going to fix for this car for 600, you must put down a deposit half. Because if we reach where you can't pay, you get like the parts. You didn't put your money from the pocket.
Oh, okay, I see.
You are fighting with the labor work.
So it has to pay like half
of the job.
Then you begin.
You begin a job.
Do you have a do you have a time span, like you say? Oh, I need you come after 1 week or 2 weeks.
Yes, it depends.
What if somebody takes up to 6 months without taking his car?
Now, when it reach like that, we have a form here. We have when the car come, we inspect, and there is a place where the customer sign. If we say the car is going to finish, if I call you now, the car is finished, you are given for 7 days.
Okay.
To pick it. Because he signed there, because before he signed that one, we tell him read and understand. Where you don't understand, ask us. Because when we finish a car, this car is going to, like the engine, we are going to take like give us less than 2 weeks, but it can't be 2 weeks by now. There's another cars, like small cars, take like 2 days, 3 days. But it depends what type of car.
Do you work on American cars, imports? Which one do you work on?
Most most of them import cars because people coming here is African who like import cars. Most is like I have some few people American cars, but I work any car.
Any car?
Any car.
So you are good at working?
I am good on any car.
Like do you do electronic, mechanic, or both?
I do full mechanic, but electronics, I don't do detail electronics.
Okay.
But and we don't have normally. I don't see any detail electronics coming here because electronics coming here is just you can handle it.
Oh, okay.
But if we go deeper, then there we can call somebody for electrical and help us.
So do you see a time in life when you want to work on your mechanic alone, no postal job, or you just want to push the
because the reason why I have taken long like this, where I am working now is 14 years now, and we have a good benefit there.
Oh, 14 years,
14 years.
Good benefits.
Yes. Like my family in insurance is very nice because they pay 80%.
Wow.
For that. That's what putting me there.
Okay.
And since I work there, in fact, the position I reach now there, I don't strain too much.
Okay.
Because now I am dispatched, and it means to sign up how many mails has gone down, out, and right and in. So it's not a big deal. But right now, the way I see now, very soon, because this work now is becoming too much, I should have to decide now very soon. I am just quitting from post office. I come back here to do my business.
How long do you have until you retire from there? If you wait until you retire? 10 years?
Like 10 years, because 65? Like 10 years.
Okay.
Like 10 years.
Okay, so finally, is there somebody who's going to take care of your business in case you are tired? Maybe have you trained your son or somebody else?
Okay, there I have 3 sons. But I see like the third son has interest of this.
The third son.
The third son, the big
the
son,
last one?
the last one.
Oh wow, okay.
Yeah, because normally when we are sitting home, when we are relaxing, or we go out, we're eating, we chatter. Tell me, Daddy, you know, I want to help you there. I want to work that job. I say,
at least
okay,
there's
that's
one
good.
who's gonna help
And
you.
when he comes, I say, that job is dirty. Do you want to be that like Daddy? He said, no. Since I get money, there's no problem. But they see me. They see me with the money. You know, when I go home, they see me counting money.
During this pandemic, how did you manage? Did you still come here? Did you have any special protocols, anything?
Yes, we tried. We tried to get a mask and sanitizers. We put here, and customers, we were telling them we can't allow them to come in.
Oh, okay.
To come in, just to drop the car there. And I told we have sanitizer, we can spray inside.
Oh.
So
after you're done, you sanitize
after you're done,
it's ready for them
ready
to go. Okay.
And then God loves us. I think this thing is going out without any problem.
Since the pandemic, the economy has really struggled. I see the fuel gas prices is high. Does it affect you here too? About the mechanical work, or it's all about gas?
Yes. It affects, but what we do, you know, sometimes we see like the economy, like gas, money, water. Also, we have to communicate with the customer. At least when he say like this, then we have to come to the level whereby I can't go down or I can't go up so much. So we were pushing like that, helping one another until we finish.
Just like a follow-up question, you said the manpower, people you have less manpower, people work for you. What is it like? Is it like a contract or maybe per hour? Is it something like that?
No, normally, since I started this job, it's a commission.
Oh, okay.
This commission works like this. If the car come in, like this car, it come in, it needed a transmission. I charge 850 transmission. So if I have one guy here working for me, 850, he take half.
Okay.
No tax, no nothing. You put the transmission in, then it's 850. Give me 425,
and
half, take half.
Oh,
so
wow.
the more you work, the more money you get.
Oh,
and me, I am lasting other cars. The one I make is for me.
Okay.
And at the shop.
Oh, okay.
If the work is too much, I have friends outside here. I can talk to them and they send the car, whatever, then we move like that.
Okay, if there is a young person who's watching you right now and saying, you know, I don't want to be a mechanic, they choose, you know, how young people are choosy. What's that one word that you have for them?
To young guys, I will advise them, please, this job is a nice job. Don't look at negative like it's a bad job or oil, wherever. This job, when you have mind and put your mind down, is money. And when you work here, you are guaranteed. You get one car, you get your money daily, cash.
When you
so I advise them, whoever who's minded out, join us here. Then we go together because we are retiring.
So how do people connect with you? How do they get you? If somebody wants to contact you.
Okay, there's many ways. Okay, like now, I will say like you now, you take a lot of clips here. They will go and say, oh, Richard, I saw you. I saw you, Musani, getting the clip somewhere. Are you a mechanic? Yes, I am a mechanic. Okay, thank you. So give us your number. Okay, also I get connected through friends. One person can come here, I tell the other one.
Oh, okay.
The other one, bring a friend.
That's good marketing.
That is go out, it's like that.
Yeah, once you repair my car, I'm happy.
Yeah, even my wife, wherever she is, she says, oh, my husband is a mechanic. Oh, give us a number. So things, that's how it goes.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Richard. This is Safeways.
Safeway and Sons Champion Auto.
Oh, Safeways and Sons Champion Auto. Oh, wow. Yes. Thank you so much. We revised. We'll come back again. We keep on coming. And God bless you.
I really appreciate it, Mr. Shamaya. And come next time we are here.
Okay, thank you.
We'll do a lot. Okay. Yes.
Hey, it is time to get a new look. Kevin's Papa and Salon Shop, located at the Green Oaks Boulevard and Matlock in Arlington, Texas, next to World Market. It is not about money, it's all about relationships. Why can't you just try us? It is family at Kevin's Papa Shop and Salon. Professional treatment is all you need. Most hairstyles with most celebrities. Give us a visit. Give us a call today. Hey, do you want to make your hair? I know you do. This is the place to be. We open and close at 7 p.m. Give us a call at 817-683-7555. Give us a call at 817-683-7555. Address is 808 Southwest Green Oaks Boulevard, Suite 410 in Arlington, Texas. Give us a call today.